most innovative technologies used in video game development. Explore the cutting-edge technologies, revolutionizing the landscape of video game development, where innovation and creativity converge to create immersive and captivating gaming experiences. From advanced graphics rendering techniques like ray tracing to sophisticated artificial intelligence algorithms that enhance gameplay, the world of video game development is constantly pushing the boundaries of what is possible. Virtual reality, augmented reality, motion capture, and procedural generation are just a few examples of the innovative technologies that game developers leverage to craft engaging worlds and narratives that transport players to new realms of imagination. Join me on a journey through the realm of video game technology, where imagination meets innovation to shape the future of interactive entertainment. First, ray tracing. Ray tracing is an advanced rendering technique that revolutionizes how light and its interactions with objects are simulated in digital graphics. Unlike traditional rasterization methods, which approximate light effects through shortcuts and approximations, ray tracing models the actual behavior of light rays as they travel through and interact with a scene. This process involves tracing rays from a virtual camera through each pixel of the image and following their paths as they bounce off surfaces, refract through transparent materials, and create shadows. By calculating these interactions with high precision, ray tracing produces highly realistic lighting effects, including detailed reflections, accurate shadow softening, and dynamic global illumination. This results in images with a level of visual fidelity that closely mimics real-world conditions, enhancing the immersion and realism of a scene. The advent of GPUs equipped with dedicated ray tracing cores, such as NVIDIA's RTX series and AMD's Radeon RX 6000 series, has made this technology increasingly practical for real-time applications. These specialized cores handle the intensive computations required for ray tracing more efficiently, allowing developers to incorporate sophisticated lighting and shading effects into their games and simulations without compromising performance. As ray tracing becomes more integrated into mainstream graphics hardware and software, it is setting new standards for visual quality and realism in video game development. 2. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning. The game production business has undergone a transformation as a result of the introduction of artificial intelligence and machine learning, which have been responsible for making gameplay more dynamic and responsive. It is possible to use artificial intelligence to create complicated NPC, non-player character behavior, which enables these characters to react in a manner that is more genuinely based on the activities that the player takes. Through the examination of player data and the application of their conclusions, machine learning algorithms are able to tailor player experiences, anticipate player preferences, and even produce procedural content. One illustration of this would be the development of elaborate, one-of-a-kind gaming worlds and levels through the application of artificial intelligence-driven procedural content generation. This would result in an enhancement in both the replayability and immersion of the game. 3. Virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR. Virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, are two examples of technologies that have emerged in recent years, and they have presented gamers with both new obstacles and new opportunities. When participating in virtual reality, VR, gamers are able to physically interact with the world of the game by utilizing specialized headgear and motion controllers. This allows them to completely immerse themselves in the video game experience. Players will have a more immersive experience as a consequence of this change inside the environment. Augmented reality, sometimes known as AR, is a term that describes the process of superimposing digital qualities onto the physical world. Augmented reality, AR, can be applied in a variety of games, such as Pokemon Go. Among the many ways in which these technologies go beyond the confines of conventional gaming are the incorporation of physical space and movement, the provision of one-of-a-kind gameplay experiences, and the utilization of engaging storytelling strategies. Fourth, real-time graphics engines. Examples of real-time graphics engines that are required for the development of modern video games include Unreal Engine 5 and Unity. Both of these kinds of engines are essential. It is essential to have both of these engines. It is possible to generate images with a high level of quality, complicated game worlds, and intricate simulations of physics with the help of these engines, which provide considerable features that can be employed. Developers of video games are able to construct extremely intricate settings that have real-time lighting and reflections thanks to the features that are accessible in the Unreal Engine. These capabilities include the Nanite virtualized geometry and the Lumen global illumination system, The visual quality of the game as well as the efficiency with which it is constructed are both improved as a result of these attributes. Fifth, procedural generation. Procedural generation is a powerful method in the construction of video games. It makes use of algorithms to produce enormous and diverse game settings without the need for extensive manual design. This eliminates the need for the game to be designed by hand, which was previously required. Through the utilization of mathematical models and principles, developers are able to construct intricate environments in a dynamic manner. It's possible that these settings have a wide range of topographies, intricate architecture, and a plethora of ecosystem conditions. Due to the fact that the process of handcrafting each and every feature would be unacceptably time-consuming, the utilization of this method is especially advantageous in open-world games. For instance, procedural generation makes it possible to construct a universe that is practically endless and has planets that are absolutely unique. This is the case in the video game No Man's Sky, which is considered to be an example. Every planet has its own distinct topography and vegetation, giving gamers a limitless amount of opportunities to explore and discover new places. The video game Minecraft is another example of a game that makes use of procedural generation to produce a broad range of landscapes, such as caverns, biomes, and terrains. All of these components add to the enormous sandbox experience that the game provides for its players. When game designers make use of these technologies, they are able to build experiences that are not only captivating and immersive, but also push the boundaries of what is considered to be traditional game design methodology. Therefore, each and every time they play, gamers are able to enjoy experiences that are new and different from the ones they have had before. Conclusion. It may be concluded that the video game industry is at the forefront of technological innovation, consistently pushing the frontiers of what is possible in the realm of digital entertainment. Artificial intelligence, AI, real-time ray tracing, virtual reality, VR, augmented reality, AR, and procedural generation are some of the key technologies that have altered the method by which games are made, played, and experienced. Artificial intelligence increases the level of immersion in games by improving non-player characters and adaptive gameplay. As virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, introduce totally new ways to interact with games, they blur the barriers between the virtual and real worlds. Real-time ray tracing is responsible for delivering an unprecedented level of visual realism. Procedural creation provides gamers with expansive and ever-changing worlds that maintain their interest by delivering one-of-a-kind experiences each and every time. The combination of these technologies not only enhances the overall quality and breadth of video games, but it also paves the way for future developments that will continue to revolutionize the industry. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.